everyone, I'm Dea. I'm communication science student. I'm the English for Communication course, which is a mid-semester assessment. I will discuss the following. Let's go. Okay guys, discussion point, 3 point. Number 1, principle of effective communication. Number 2, barriers to effective communication. And last, 3, strategies for overcoming communication barriers. Okay, go to the first point. Principle of effective communication. Understanding effective communication is a process in which the sender and receiver understand each other. The principle of effective communication means the principle of effective communication. The action is simply clarity, consistency, empathy, giving, and receiving feedback back, avoiding communication barriers. There are 6 principles that need to be considered in effective communication. Number 1, simply. As language that is easy to understand by all parties, avoid jargon and completed terms. Clarity. Message clearly and concisely, avoid synthesis that ambiguous. Number 3, consistency. Make sure the message conveyed is aligned with the action and behavior. Number 4, empathy. Try to understand other people's point of view and needs. Number 5, give and receive feedback. Give and receive constructive feedback to improve communication. Number 6, last, avoid communication barriers. Avoid distraction and obstacles that can interfere communication. Okay, go to material, think to reach a common understanding. Number 1, ask the same language, make sure the sender and repeat as the same language and have the same understanding of the meaning of word. Number 2, pay attention to nonverbals, pay attention to body language, facial expression, and tone of voice when communicating. Number 3, ask questions to ensure that the message has been received and understood correctly. Number 4, provide feedback to help improve communication. Okay, go to the 2 point. Barriers to effective communication. Communication is the process of conveying messages from one party to other. However, this process do not always run smoothly. Various obstacles can arise and causes distortion in the message conveyed, thereby hampering effectiveness communication. Various types of communication barriers. Psychological barriers. Okay, psychological barrier, stage fear, phobia, depression, speech disorder. These conditions are hard to manage sometimes. Number 2, linguistic barrier. Difficult for maximum people to communicate with people from different religions. Okay, number 5, culture barriers. Due to globalization and large organization, his people from several parts of the world with different culture, religion, dressing sense, food, and behavior will change drastically from one culture to other. Number 6, attitude barriers. introvert and extra clingy, but these cases could be barrier to communication. 7. Psychological barriers. Train disorder of design could also prevent effective communication between the various channels of an organization, like shrinkage of voice and dyslexia. And last, technological barriers. Technology is developing fast, and as a result, it is difficult to adapt to new technologies. Tip for overcoming communication barriers. Choose the right time and place to communicate. As appropriate language, clear and easy to understand. Convey one message at a time. Respect with other people not to communicate. Make sure the repeat of the message understand what is you say. Find a place free from distraction to communicate, and pay attention to and respond to emotional responses from the person you are talking to. Okay guys, go to last point and three points. Strategy for overcoming communication barrier. And 1. Active listening. Give full attention to the speaker, avoid distraction, and ensure clear understanding. Number 2. Use appropriate body language and tone of voice, such as nonverbal language, facial expression, and body posture can clarify deep meaning and emotion communication and avoid misunderstanding. Number 3, be aware of culture difference and understand individual communication style different will help in adjusting and harmonizing communication with the interlocutor. Okay, and last, explain of communication barrier that mostly encountered by the student. At the beginning of entering a new environment with limited experience, students will be embarrassed, skeptical when it comes to presenting in front of their class. To overcome this, you usually first need to get to know your friend, get to know the environment, and understand the material. Okay, thank you, bye bye.